How do I start my business as a lease purchase driver? I'm glad you asked. Here are the 10 steps to establish your trucking company. 1. Choose a business name. Choose a company name that represents you or your brand. 2. Apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN. Request your EIN from the IRS. 3. Register your business. We recommend outsourcing this task to minimize errors. 4. Purchase your website domain name. 5. Purchase a website business and email address. 6. Establish a business phone number. This also legitimizes your business. 7. Set up a business checking account. Choose a bank that fits your business needs. 8. Purchase accounting software. This will make tax season easier when paying Uncle Sam. 9. Establish a D&B number. Consider this a social security number for your business. 10. Choose the right carrier. Find a company that offers a lease that works for both parties. For the record, you don't have to use these steps, but most people who don't fail. And I don't want that for you. Me either. Do you have more information on how to get this all set up? I sure do. Check out our short ebook on how to set your trucking business using the link in the description. Thank you. I can't wait to get started. Awesome. When you're ready, I'll be right here. Want to learn more? Click the link in the description box or visit us at www.jarkaa.com. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for new content. We appreciate your support.